Hello everyone, Michelle Harvey here, also known as Hippie Oil Chick with Happily Oily After. And today is International Essential Oils Day, also known as Gary Young's birthday, the father of the modern essential oil movement. And our hashtag is because of Gary. We have these lovely oils that I have diffusing here, and starter kit oils and oils to make roll-ons and all sorts of really fun stuff. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I am going to announce the giveaway winner for the lemongrass oil, and then I'm going to look at everybody who comments, even if it's just to say hello or just to say anything about the video. Anybody who comments is going to go into the drawing for a blend, a roller blend that I'm going to make using 4 of the 5 of my top 5 oils that I'm going to discuss with you today. And it is called the Seasonal Comfort Blend, and it helps to support your respiratory system during that time of year when outdoor annoyances such as pollens and stuff in the air might be kind of trying to wreak havoc on you. So that is a great giveaway. It's a free roll-on for one of those, and so just comment at some point during this video and I'll remind you guys to do that later. And you will get a chance to win. So I will announce the winner of the lemongrass oil also at the end of today's video. I had 21 people comment, and so I just did random number generator. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. We're gonna count down 5 to my top 1, okay? So it's really difficult because in the starter kit, we have 11 oils and a diffuser, okay? And the rest of my starter kit is sitting over there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose my top 5, and we're gonna talk about them one at a time. So my number 5 oil is Lemon Vitality, okay, or lemon. Same oil is in your lemon, that's in your Lemon Vitality. The reason that I love lemon is that, well, number 1, all citrus oils are pretty much across cultures universally uplifting. Citrus oils are great at kind of perking you up, increasing your the smile on your face, and also really good at helping with the detoxification process of your body. So it's a great idea to actually ingest Lemon Vitality either in your water every single day or in a capsule. You can, people will put it directly in their mouth. People will make things out of this. You can make marinades, salad dressing, things of that nature. And actually one of my favorite ways to use lemon oil, because it just works so dang well, is to put a drop of it on some sticky stuff that won't come off of a glass. So that's my number 5. Sorry, my hair would be looking funky. I'm gonna take it down. Okay, my number 4 is going to be Copaiba Vitality. Copaiba, that's how you say it, Copaiba. It's got this very exotic sounding name, and it comes from a very exotic South American tree, from the Copaifera tree. The resin is called copal, and it is a nice, light, sweet, woodsy smell. And what Copaiba is, we call this liquid gold in our house. I'm not allowed to say, there's a word that starts with anti that I can't really say, but just look up the benefits of beta-caryophyllene. If you really want to know what this oil can do for your body, look up beta-caryophyllene. There is a lot of beta-caryophyllene in this bottle. This oil I blend with everything. In fact, I blend these 2 for kidney support. I blend it with the Panaway for neck and shoulders and knees and joints and elbows and things of that nature. This is also going to be in the blend that I'm going to be doing a giveaway for, okay, if you comment on this video. Copaiba is just, it should be ubiquitously used in almost everything. And so this one I do take internally in capsules. I don't particularly like the taste of it because it tastes like tree to me, but some people will just knock it back in their mouth, okay? Again, when you're using oils internally, use them with caution, use them with common sense. You know, you're not gonna take, this is a 5 ml bottle, which has about 90 to 100 drops. We're talking like 1 to 3 drops at a time here. Okay, that's number 4. I don't want this video to be too long. I can tend to be long-winded. Okay, next is going to be lavender. Okay, this is the Swiss Army knife of oils. I could not include lavender in my top 5, okay, because lavender, as I said, Swiss Army knife, that implies that you can use it for so many different things. Lavender is fantastic for all things skin. So, you know, you come in outside and your skin is itching from a whole bunch of mosquito bites, just put lavender on it. Add lavender to your favorite moisturizer. Hopefully it's a non-toxic moisturizer, like any Young Living ones would work great. And some people will actually put lavender directly on the skin, neat or undiluted, because it is super sensitive and gentle. So speaking of which, hello babies, pets, those smaller beings of the planet, they do really well with lavender, as well as adults. You know, straight up, you're just feeling your heart's beating real fast, you're angry, irritable, upset. Just take some lavender. It's gonna just take the calm edge off of things. And the Vitality version of this is great to cook with. I am planning on making some lavender lemonade here pretty soon, and lavender lemon cupcakes. So, okay, that's number 3. Number 2, Thieves. Guys, I'm sorry this can't be number 1 for me because I've got my reasons, but Thieves, this little blend oil here, cinnamon bark, clove, eucalyptus, rosemary, and lemon. It's voodoo magic. It's just, Thieves is for so many different things. Wow, Thieves Vitality, it supports oral care. That's why we have a whole line of toothpaste and deodorant. I mean, not deodorant. Oh, I just used it as deodorant today. That's why I'm saying that. I use the toothpaste as deodorant. You can do that. So oral care, soothing a sore throat, making Thieves tea, in putting it in some warm water with a spoonful of honey and maybe adding some lemon as well to it. So yeah, Thieves is thebomb.com, and it's the basis for our cleaning supplies because it's a gentle, non-toxic clean. And I have studies that I can send you with Petri dishes if you don't believe that this can clean your house. It legit can, okay? So also immune support. All day, every day, on the bottoms of your kids' feet, especially during that time of year where they needed a boost in immunity. Boom, right here. Okay, number 1 top oil for me. Everybody who knows me knows my ride or die, my Chuck Norris of essential oils. It's got to be Peppermint Vitality. Peppermint, okay? And I'm not someone who actually loves the smell of peppermint, although I like the smell of peppermint. Peppermint it's one of those that I don't leave my house without because it can help soothe my digestive tract. So I use it, I take this internally just to help support proper digestion. I use it on my temples and on the back of my neck to just soothe my temples. I use it in a cooling spray because I'm running super hot. In fact, I just got invited to a Janet Jackson concert and I'm going to be going. It's going to be hot. It's outside. Oh my gosh. It's the summer. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. I'm going to need peppermint for that. Okay. So, and yes, I'm still using this while pregnant. Okay. It's safe. Now, one thing about peppermint is it can, tend to mess with your milk supply, so I'm not knocking back a whole bunch. I'm being very I'm being careful about the amount that I use, but I love peppermint. There's a million more things I can say about peppermint. Ask me about my love for peppermint, or just read my blog on the Chuck Norris of essential oils, peppermint. Cool. Now, one cool thing is that these 4 are going to go into the blend that someone's going to win today to make my seasonal comfort roll-on. So somebody's going to win that. Again, if you comment at all on this post, even if it's just to say hi or heart something, you could win the seasonal comfort roll-on that I'm going to make with these particular oils. Okay? Oops, not Thieves. Lavender. Okay? These 4. Whoop, whoop. Okay? All right, last but not least, thank you guys for tuning in on that top 5 video. I am announcing that the winner of the free lemongrass oil, commenting on my post from earlier, is Bailey Seiler. Woo! I taught her. It's crazy. She has a kid of her own. I taught her, and now she's a mom, and she was talking about using the lemongrass to help keep, make a non-toxic spray for her little girl. So I'm excited, and it'll give me an excuse to see her to get that lemongrass to her. And I will be announcing the winner of the Seasonal Comfort Roll-On a little bit later on this afternoon. And I have one more surprise for International Essential Oils Day that's coming up later on this evening. So again, thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you are new to oils and you would like to join, Happily Oily After is where it's at. I have a great community. See me, go on my website, or just type my number into the referral bar, which is 215-3009. Appreciate y'all tuning in. This is Hippie Oil Chick, future Royal Crown Diamonds, signing out.